Today I am going to be teaching you how to make a keypad controller robot with the 100 classes kit. I am going to be using the Arduino Uno and the motor driver. So I'll start by connecting the battery to the motor driver. Then I'll connect the DC motors to the motor driver. After that I'll connect the motor drivers A1, A2, B1, B2 to digital pins on the Arduino Uno. Then I'll connect the cable to the laptop and I'm going to be using Snap for Arduino to code. So we'll start by this. If key left arrow pressed, then this condition will be applied. The 4 digital pins that I am going to be using are 13, 12, 11 and 10. So like this, I have created various conditions depending on the arrow key pressed. So now I am going to show you a demo on how this will work. So I'll start with the green flag. I am pressing the front arrow key and it's going front. Now I'll press the back arrow key, it will go back. Now I'm going to press the left arrow key, it will go left. Right? And now we can make it go far, but not too far because the USB cable has limited space. And now I'll put it back. Yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching.